Good morning, everyone. Today we want to establish a relation between electric intensity and electric potential. So, for this, let us consider a figure. Suppose that there are some equipotential surfaces like this, and here is a point, there is a point P. Direction of electric field is always perpendicular to the equipotential surfaces like this. Suppose that this is the direction of electric field. We consider a line or axis passes through point P. Suppose this axis name is S. Okay, so let us the potential difference between the pair of adjacent surfaces, these two surfaces, potential difference, suppose that dV. Okay, now let a small test charge plus Q, which is placed at point P initially, move through a distance dr from P, from this equipotential surface to this equipotential surface. Suppose that this vector displacement vector is dr. Okay, so the electric field vector E is perpendicular to this equipotential surface and through the point P. So what is the work done? First we find the work done by electric field, on the test charge. So as we know, पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ई अपनी डायरेक्शन में फोर्स लगाएगा, इसलिए इसको अपने आप ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज सेल्फ से ही आपका मूव करेगा. ओके, तो जब ये सेल्फ से मूव करेगा तो वर्क डन आपका नेगेटिव होना है. सो वर्क डन इज इक्वल टू माइनस क्यू इंटू डी वी. आप ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं कि नेगेटिव साइन क्या शो कर रहा है? डिक्रीज इन पोटेंशियल. नेगेटिव साइन शोज decrease in potential in the direction of vector E. ये हम लोग पहले ही डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. ठीक है, सो अगेन this is the work done, and again there is another method to find the work done. What is the another method? Another method is work done is equal to F dot dr. The force applied by the electric field on this charge plus Q is QE. Okay, dot dr. Suppose that the angle between vector E and the displacement be theta. So QE dr cos theta. So here we find the work done by the two different methods. Now equate them. तो what we get? Minus q dv is equal to q e dr cos theta. So we get e cos theta, q and q cancelled out, minus dv by dr. Okay, what is e cos theta? E cos theta is the component of vector E in the direction of dr. ओके, तो अगर आप ये एक्सिस एस एक्सिस ले रहे हैं तो इस ई कॉस थीटा को आप ई एस भी बोल सकते हैं इस फिगर के अकॉर्डिंग. तो ई एस इज इक्वल टू माइनस डी वी बाय डी आर. क्लियर? So magnitude of electric field E is given by the change in magnitude of potential per unit displacement normal to the equipotential surface at that point, and this is called potential gradient. dV by dr is called potential gradient. तो अगर आप इसे अगेन अगर आप लिखना चाहें तो आप ऐसे शो कर सकते हो, माइनस ए मॉड ऑफ वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू माइनस dV upon dr. It means minus potential gradient. This part is called potential gradient.